and welcome. It's Jilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. And guess what I'm going to be doing today? Skinny dipping. I'm going to skinny dip on bubble wrap. So this is a skinny canvas. So I'm going to skinny dip. I'm doing some dipping today, Jackson Pollock style. If you haven't seen Jackson Pollock, please look him up for his style and then you will see what I'm talking about. Crazy Jill. I'm doing it on the bubble side up. I'm just securing it to my surface just so as it doesn't lift up. And you definitely shouldn't do this with gloves on because the sticky sticks to your gloves. So I'm just sticking that to secure it. So bubbles up just to give a bit of a different effect. Gives like a bit of a textured effect, especially when it's dried. It just gives it that bit of a different effect than just plain dipping. So I have some paints made up and I'm gonna skinny dip with Miss Skinny. If I can get 2 canvases out of it, I will. So I'm just being silly, but yeah, if you haven't seen Jackson Pollock, just Google it and you'll see that what I'm about to do is Jackson Pollock style. If you get my drift. Rightio, let's get into this. So I have got some awesome colours made up and I've just come across or just been sent this lovely pearl mist by Global, and it is very similar to the iridescent medium, or it's similar to dragonfly glaze. It's got that lovely sparkle in it. So it's just an impasto colour pearl mist, but when I added it to some of the darker colours, oh my goodness, it really sparkles like diamonds. So skinny dipping in diamonds. I'm just being silly. So this is the cool red and I added some of that pearlescent mist in it and it is absolutely gorgeous. So I know I'm going to be questioned. You can get this from Capriole Shabby Chic. They have got lots in stock at the moment, so the link is down below, and if I remember I'll try and put the link in my description box as well for those that tell me they don't know how to get down to the drop box. And that is cool red. I've added it to, and it's just given this lovely pearlescent look to it. And I've also put it in my dark sea. I usually it's called dark sea, but I normally call it deep sea, so people get mixed up. But I've put it in there and look at that. It's just like absolutely gorgeous. So any of the dark colours, put in the, put it in there, put it in the purple. So we'll give it a whirl and see how we go. So this is what we call Jackson Pollock style. So I'll start off with just white. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just mark where my canvas comes to, approximate, so I don't pour paint where it's not required. So I don't Jackson Pollock it where I don't need it. I can hardly see that, but anyway, I get the gist. So I'll just literally, this is a Jackson Pollock style. So the noise you can hear is my husband getting himself a beer because it's the end of the day. So you had a good day, darling?
Yes, darling.
Yeah, you always say yes, darling, don't you?
Yes, darling.
I
love you too.
Yeah, I love you too. Oh, you're a smoothie, John. You're a smoothie. Okay, so can't really see that too good, but you will when I start layering the other colours. So this is the cool red with the, so this is literally absolutely doing the wiggles all over your canvas. So I don't think that I've done this particular style for a while, but I know that I've done it before on a much larger canvas, probably about a year ago. And I did then mention the Jackson Pollock style. So this is definitely Jackson Pollock style. We'll use my Berry Delicious, and that's got the pearlescent medium in too. So this will be interesting because I'd really like to try this Jackson Pollock style dip on a large canvas. I'm going to get some. So that was my Berry Delicious, and this is the purple, just the purple in here now. So I'm going with a lot of deep, dark, luscious colours, but I'll try and bring in some lighter ones in a second. I think when I did this before, yeah, it did. It was successful. So, what do I want to add? Okay, I'm going to go some pear. This is called pear. So this will be bringing it up. This will make it pop. It will make those darker colours pop. So just have some fun with it. Just usually dipping, you get the best results when your paints are slightly on the thicker side, I have found. Might add some more of that red in there. That looks lovely with the pear. And I might go a bit more of the white. Just really, just give it a go. Go your heart's content. Okie doke. I think that's it. Rightio. Let's dip. Let's skinny dip. Skinny dip, skinny dip, skinny dip. If there's any areas not covered, I'm going to wipe my hands. When you lift it up, that's quite okay, because you use a little balloon, which I'll show you, and you just make some gorgeous effects in it anyway. So I'm doing a bit of a twist here. So just now, that work before I put this canvas on it, that is exactly how Jackson Pollock's work looks dried. He doesn't do this skinny dip thing. He does that how it looked, which I meant to say before I excitedly got my canvas down on it, is how he does it. I'm thinking that this paint might be too thin. If it's too thin, it's going to come out muddy, and I really hope it doesn't. Okay, let's lift this thing. I may need just a tray to swish it on. What way do I go? Okay, hold on to your plastic and just, oh no, the paint really needed to be a bit thicker because it's gone like little tadpoles. But it looks quite nice, and I'm sure, pretty sure it will actually dry. Okay, so you can get, this is just a balloon that's got a little bit of water in to give it a bit of weight. I can use some of the other colour off there and see if I can get any of the, I love doing these kisses over dips. So skinny dip and kiss. That's a new one, huh? Skinny dip and kiss. But take a leaf out of my book, and please make your paints thicker because they actually work a lot better. It's just that I have these paint sitting there left over, so I wanted to make something pretty out of them, and I know this will turn out absolutely beautiful when I've given it the kiss of life. Oops. And I will certainly try this as soon as I mix up some paints that are of thicker consistency. I'm going to try it again, but I find that the dips work terrific with poster paint or tempera paint. It's called poster paint, I think you find in Australia. So that is quite pretty. That is quite, I can see where it is thicker, it worked out better. But I'm pretty happy with that because I know that's going to dry really nice and vibrant, and it was a lot of fun to do. So I really hope you enjoyed the skinny dipping session with Julie, skinny dip and kiss. So there you go, there's a new one for you. I have done this before, skinny dip and kiss. Well, whatever, crazy lady. Okie doke, I better go before I get too silly. I don't know why I'm in a silly mood. I've had a terrific day, so that's probably why. But please take care, you lovely people. I'm here every single day, so if you'd like to join me for a video, my videos go up in early morning time, Australian time. Not sure what that is in the US, but I am here every day. So please tick on the subscription button because it costs you nothing and it helps me. So yeah, just take care and see you tomorrow. Bye for now.